Over on the Blue Alliance from Iowa, the United States, it's Team 1693, Deviation from the North.
I'm going to come back and reset the balls out of it.
Drivers, pick up your controllers.
Gate open.
No, we wanted it closed for auto.
Do you want me to open it right after?
You can do that. Open now, open now. And just keep cycling.
They're going to race as fast as possible.
Yeah, that's bad. Don't do that. Okay, gate. Okay, never mind.
Did you
trim that? Yeah.
Opening up the gate and picking the artifacts.
Wait, that was a little too soon.
We're seeing them do some of those rapid cycles back and forth.
Why is the angle so
line in from the artifacts on the gate.
It's next time. Good, good. Angle's good.
We see Lightbotics that are very lit up the robot.
Open gate, open gate, open gate. Open gate.
They're going to open up that gate for the Red Alliance, trying to empty up some space on the ramp. Again, only the artifacts
Keep going,
that are
keep
stored
going.
on the ramp will pass through the square will be counted for 3 points. The rest that overflow are going to be 1 point for each alliance.
It's fine. Steal, steal, steal. Get out.
Right now we have just over a minute
Back
left
here,
in the match. 173 points for the Blue Alliance, 93 for the Red
Steal.
Alliance. Let's see if we can close that gap in the last minute of this match. We're seeing 60, 93. They're right
careful,
up
too many. Back.
They just shot a couple of those artifacts over here. There's also artifacts right from the back of the field and the front of the field.
Wait, that doesn't count. Yeah.
We see Scarsdale
Take one.
Raiders. They're doing some of those quick.
No, take over in the front, Close down. Open gate, open gate.
Keeping a player and going towards that door.
Careful of that, yeah.
I didn't see that.
Lots of artifacts.
Okay, back here.
The red side of the field, we're seeing them spill out from that.
Just don't worry about it. Keep going. Okay.
We now have 10 seconds.
Do not
left
open
in the
gate.
match.
Do not open gate.
Let's see how many more artifacts can be scored. Any more parks that can be
Yeah,
had.
park.
5 seconds left. It looks
You guys-
like
are you guys
Red
full?
Alliance, 2
Yeah,
parks,
that's good.
parks. Blue Alliance, 2 as well. 3, 2, 1.
I got a wheel in.
Wait, I feel like we did
That's
better
the
than
end of
that.
qualification match number 78.
Okay, were we missing?
Wait, were we missing?
No.
No, we were hitting.
No.
What?
How'd you?
We can watch replay.
Yeah.
We have the results from qualification match 78. Let's take a look.
I don't know. I was not. Wait, this is I'm pretty focused on
Congratulations to the Blue Alliance. They won with a score of 241 points to the Red Alliance's 184 points. They earned 4 ranking points for that last match, hitting that goal threshold for that RP.